Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make a chocolate chip skillet cookie. This skillet cookie is gooey on the inside while being crunchy on the outside. In a medium bowl, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt and mix together. Now in a large bowl, I have 1 cup of butter. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And using an electric hand mixer, mix together until well combined. Then you're going to mix in 2 eggs. Then slowly mix in the dry ingredients until combined. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Next, you're going to fold in half a cup of chocolate chips. Then butter a 10-inch skillet. And add the cookie dough in, and you want to spread it out evenly. Now to finish it off, I'm going to top it with some more chocolate chips. You're going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And this chocolate chip skillet cookie is ready. It's best to serve warm and with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all from the next video. Thanks for watching!